Hi, this is Mike with Motorrad Audio, and what we're featuring here is our 4-channel, 4-speaker installation kit for the 2022 and newer model K1600Bs and Grand Americas. This kit does not apply to the GT or the GTL. We do have separate kits for that if you're looking for 4 speakers as well. So what this kit includes is a set of rear speaker panels that go onto your existing bag. This is something where you have to cut a hole in the top of the bag for the speaker to drop into, but it does not go into the inner portion of the bag. So it doesn't take up any usable space in the bag. It does not create a point of water entry to get into the bag. Everything is on the external portion of the shell. This will come with grills to make them look nice. It comes with all the mounting hardware, stainless steel, everything that you need for putting these in and having them on there to last. So that will be in a separate bag in the box. In the front, you'll have our 6.5-inch Infinity Kappa pods. These are something that is going to require some modifications behind the scenes, but does not change the way the bike looks whatsoever externally. The modifications behind the scenes are pretty minor, certainly not structural or cause any problems along those lines, but these are a very tight fit in there, so there are some modifications needed for these. Same speakers, the Infinity Kappas, are also what's going to go with the rear panels as well. These speakers are made for the Harley-Davidson market originally, so they are waterproof. They are made for the harsh environment. They're made to be played loud for extended periods of time, so they're definitely in their element when being used on a bike. There will be some mounting hardware with the front pods as well to assist with mounting those. You'll have the 4-channel amp. It's also an Infinity Kappa Perfect. That is going to be a watertight amplifier that mounts behind the left front fairing, so it does not take up any space in the bags or anywhere else. It will come pre-mounted, pre-sealed, and tuned for this speaker package and for your bike, so it'll be totally ready to go. You'll have a rear speaker harness that runs from the amplifier to the back of the bike. Does come with quick disconnect plugs on it to be able to unplug the bags should you need to take the bags on or off the bike for service, and will plug directly into the amplifier on the other end. You'll have a power harness that again plugs directly into the amplifier, runs to the battery. You'll connect your power to the fuse holder that we supply and put a ring connector on your ground to connect that to the battery, and you're done there. You'll have a front speaker harness that gives you the input and the output signals for the amplifier. So the white plugs will go directly to where your original pods were plugged in before you put the new ones in, and the new black plugs will plug directly into our pod. So you can't get that wrong. They only plug in one way. They cannot plug in any other way. You'll have 2 plugs that go to the amplifier itself. The white one connects to the white plug on the amp. The black connects to the front output black on the amp. Away you go. You'll have a bag that includes the fuse holder with a power lead already attached to it with a ring connector already on it, ready to go to connect to the battery. You'll connect the power wire that you ran directly into the other side of the fuse holder to protect that line going through the bike. You'll have a ring connector for your ground wire, and you'll have a mounting bolt and speed clip for mounting the bracket that's on the amplifier. You'll have a few wire ties and things in there to help with the routing of your wires. And you'll have a cheat sheet that kind of gives you some hints on the best tuning of the factory radio to make everything sound as good as humanly possible. Like I said, this is for the K1600B and Grand America only, not the GT or the GTL. It is also not for the 21 and prior Grand America and K1600B, because these pods will not fit those. We do have other pods and other ways of doing those bikes that you'll see on our website if you go looking there. Naturally, if you have any questions on any of this, let us know. We try to be available as often as possible. We are open from 9 to 6 Monday through Friday, so we are available all the time then, and certainly respond to plenty of things after hours if you need technical support or if you just have questions in general. So, you need anything else, just let us know. Thanks.